Oh man, I'm gonna lose it. Well, looks like I'm going for a hike. It's dropping in altitude. I can't do nothing. Well, today I'm gonna go for a distance test. I want to see how far this Mavic Mini can really go. This will be my first Mavic Mini range test. I recommend that everybody do a compass calibration before you go out on a range test. It only takes a couple extra seconds and it's worth it. I did, however, forget to calibrate my IMU. Testing out my homemade sunshade today. It should help me see a little better, I hope.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I'm gonna try going up to above 30 feet before I head out. Let's take it up to 50 or 60. Right, here goes the range test. 97% battery. I'm gonna switch it over to sport mode. Let's see if I got a map today. Looks like it. Alright, let's go. Full speed ahead. Just gonna head towards those mountains over there. $700 feet. Cannot see it at all. Oh, it was going sideways. Maybe we'll get to sneak up on some critters today. I have no idea where it's at right now. Over 2,000 feet. Turn it over here a little bit. Try and get those other mountains in the range. Okay. Dead ahead. Altitude's 108 feet. Three 3,000 feet away. Take a look at the map. See if I can bring up satellite. Alright. 4,400 feet. Coming up on 1 mile. Not seeing any critters yet. Hoping that altitude is accurate. Coming up on 7,000 feet. Battery 75%. Just snowed 2 days ago, so it's my first range test with the Mavic Mini. Pretty impressed so far. Definitely don't want to fly into that hillside though. Okay, I'm gonna slow her down for a second. That's the road to a ghost town called Elkhorn. Alright, 183 feet. Coming up on 8,000 feet distance. I want to go for 2 miles if I can. I was hoping I could sneak up on something. We'll see. It's a pretty country out here. Haven't had any blips so far. Pretty impressed, but see, 9,300 feet. Doing pretty good. .64% battery. Gonna take it over 2 miles and then bring it back. Nice and sunny. Okay.
The battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
10,700 feet. Let's take it to 11,000 and then we'll return it home. Never flown any of my drones this far. Alright. That's about it for me. I'm gonna go and hit return to home.
Go home.
So, over 2 miles. Pretty impressive. Got 56% battery. Returning home. At a speed of 8 miles, 10 miles an hour. 16, 17 miles an hour. It's out there quite a ways.